లోక్సభలో రాహుల్ గాంధీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
No. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give you opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak. No, please listen. I am giving opportunity. ये नहीं चलेगा. Honorable LOP will speak. He can speak. He doesn't require your support. He will speak.
1 second, please. Chairman sir. Speaker sir, I am.
Please, 1 second, sir. Please, sir.
Chairman sir, I am objecting to the word permission. That is not the correct word because I am not given permission by anyone. I am leader of opposition. So I am just objecting to that.
I have called your name.
Everybody speaks with the permission of the chair.
Please.
Nobody
Because,
is
sir,
above the chair.
there was an altercation.
Everybody speaks on the permission of the chair.
Please speak, sir. 1 second. 1 second, sir. Yes, please speak.
Speaker sir, our President's address was about the path that India has to chart, the direction in which India has to move. Today, on the world stage, the main issue in international affairs is the conflict between China and the United States. This is central to our President's address. This is central, as you have seen, to our budget. And all I am saying is I want to make a statement about what happened between China and India and how our Prime Minister reacted to it. Why am I being stopped? Sir, in Ladakh, in eastern Ladakh, there was a conflict. Our soldiers were killed.
I requested Honorable LOP to speak. Repeatedly I made a request to speak on the speech of the Honorable President. Now माननीय श्री नरेश उत्तम पटेल जी, Sir, I made repeated request to speak on the speech of the Honorable President. माननीय श्री नरेश उत्तम पटेल जी, आप बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं, माननीय श्रीमती शताब्दी राय, माननीय श्रीमती शताब्दी राय, माननीय श्री DM खातिर आनंद, माननीय श्री GM हरीश बालयोगी जी,
Honorable Chairman sir, I rise today on behalf of my party Telugu Desam to extend our support to the gracious address delivered by the Honorable President of India. The address presents a confident national roadmap anchored in reform, guided by inclusion, and directed towards the long-term objective of building a strong, self-reliant, and globally competitive India. The vision of Vikasit Bharat 2047 reflects a fundamental shift in governance philosophy from managing short-term outcomes to shaping India's long-term economic strength, institutional capacity and strategic relevance in global economy. With India's potential growth rate approaching 7%, driven by sustained reforms and historical public investments, we are witnessing the emergence of a new development trajectory. Our national
कार्यवाही 3 बजे तक स्थगित किया गया है।